Are you looking for the best facial steamer for Beauty Salon Home? In this video we will look at some of the best facial steamer for Beauty Salon Home on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Professional Facial Steamer for Beauty Salon. Transform daily skincare into a refreshing ritual with this professional facial steamer for beauty salon and home use. Its soothing mist surrounds the face like a gentle cloud, opening the way for deep renewal. Each session feels like stepping into a calm spa, where warmth melts away stress and reveals a healthier glow. The steady flow of steam touches every corner of the skin through its 360-degree rotating nozzle, encouraging clarity and smoothness. Tiredness, dullness, and impurities fade as the skin breathes freely again. It invites you to experience moments of self-care that uplift the mind while nurturing natural beauty. Designed for those who value true rejuvenation, this steam machine helps create a peaceful atmosphere that turns ordinary skincare into something special. Let this become the beginning of a more confident and radiant you. Number 2. Facial Steamer Nano Ionic Face Steamer. Bring a spa-like feeling into daily life with this Facial Steamer Nano Ionic Face Steamer designed for both home and salon care. A soft cloud of warm mist gently wraps around the skin, creating a relaxing moment that encourages deep refreshment. Its extendable 360-degree rotating arm allows the steam to touch every angle, awakening a natural glow from within. Each soothing burst feels like a calming escape, helping the skin breathe freely while washing away dullness and tiredness. The warm vapor softens and hydrates, making every skincare step feel more meaningful and effective. It turns an ordinary routine into a peaceful ritual that uplifts confidence and radiance. Perfect for anyone who wishes to create a serene atmosphere while nourishing the complexion with care and attention, making beauty feel effortless and naturally luminous. Number 3. Professional Ozone White Facial Steamer. Step into a soothing world of skincare with this professional Ozone White Facial Steamer that transforms every moment into a spa-inspired experience. As the warm mist rises, it creates a calming atmosphere that eases stress while gently refreshing the complexion. The steady flow envelops the face like a soft cloud, encouraging deep renewal and clarity. The advanced hot mist technology works harmoniously with ozone purification to support a cleaner and healthier glow. Its adjustable height design allows the steam to reach every angle, bringing a sense of comfort and luxury to daily routines. The clear liquid crystal display adds a touch of elegance, making each session feel professional and personal at the same time. Ideal for anyone who wishes to embrace radiant skin while enjoying a peaceful escape within their own space, turning ordinary care into a rejuvenating ritual. Number 4. Professional Ozone Facial Steamer. Create a calming beauty space with this professional ozone facial steamer on wheels that turns skincare into a soothing ritual. As the gentle mist spreads through the air, it surrounds the face with warm comfort, encouraging deep renewal while bringing out a natural glow. The adjustable height offers flexibility, allowing the soothing vapor to reach every angle with ease. Its 360-degree rotatable nozzle ensures a thorough and balanced steam flow, giving the skin a refreshed and revitalized look. Whether used at home or in a salon, it transforms ordinary routines into peaceful self-care sessions that calm the mind and uplift the spirit. The elegant design blends functionality with a spa-like atmosphere, making each use feel indulgent and professional. It is ideal for anyone who values radiant skin and moments of personal relaxation within their daily schedule. Number 5. 750 ml Professional Facial Steamer. Experience a refreshing touch of luxury with this 750 ml professional facial steamer that brings spa-inspired care into everyday life. As the warm mist rises, it softly surrounds the skin, creating a peaceful atmosphere that encourages deep renewal. The adjustable design allows the soothing vapor to flow comfortably, reaching every angle with ease. Its nanoatomization technology produces an ultrafine mist that helps the complexion feel hydrated, smooth, and naturally radiant. Perfect for beauty salons and spa shops. It transforms routine skincare into a calming ritual that relaxes the mind while nurturing a healthy glow. Each session feels like stepping into a serene space where tiredness fades and freshness takes its place. It is ideal for those who want to elevate their self-care moments with a professional touch, embracing true rejuvenation and confidence in their natural beauty.